How to turn on red resets in Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to turn on the red resets in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on the device. Now once you are in, open the chat which you wanna turn on the red resets. Let me open this one. Now once you open it, all you have to do is tap on their name right here, tap on it. Now scroll down, you will get many options right here. Now on the options you can see red resets right here, so tap on it and you can just toggle this off like this. Once you toggle this off, you won't be able to see when you have read their messages. Now in order to turn on, just toggle this on, and just like this you turn on the red resets in Messenger. This is how easy it is to turn on and turn off the red resets in Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.